Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how does Google Ads charge you. Now, as you can see, if we go here to our Google Ads help, this is basically how the Google Ads will charge you. So you'll be charged automatically on the first of each month or anytime your balance reaches an amount known as your payment threshold. Now, if you click on payment threshold, you will see basically how to check for your payment threshold, right? As you can see, when your ad servings cost reach a certain amount known as the payment threshold, your payment method will be automatically charged for those costs, as you can see right here, or as you can see right here, right? So basically that is when your Google Ads account will charge you. Now your charge covers your advertising costs and any unpaid balance from the previous month, plus tax and fees that may apply to some countries. Now your charge is current costs plus outstanding balance equals the charge amount, right? So current costs are from this billing period, unpaid costs are from previous billing periods. So make sure to know that, right? As you can see, here's a monthly spend. This is an example. If your monthly spend is less than your payment threshold, right? Your last payment date was August 1st. Your last payment threshold is $50, or your payment threshold is $50. Your monthly spend for August is $49. In the above example, you'll be charged $49 on the September 1st. So make sure to understand this if you want to know how does Google Ads charge you. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find it useful. It's a really short one, but still, thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video.